Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum, Solana, and SUI price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with Ethereum on the all-time history, and we're gonna see, of course, what we might expect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1 or wave A finished as an impulse, followed by a 3 waves downward, where we might have, of course, a WX and a wave Y can be finished over there in 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down again. And then pushing impulsively toward the upside internally, we have double 1, 2 here. And we might seek, of course, for a wave 3 towards the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that might be, of course, a start here for an impulse, of course, upward, that it might reach, of course, at least the 9,000 here for Ethereum as 1.618 and as a wave 3, of course, then having 4 and a 5 potentially even for higher prices. Currently, the wave 2 is, of course, ranging between the 0.618, 0.786. That is a perfect fib level for a wave 2. A, B, and a C wave 2 should be done and finished potentially, or W, X, and a Y. Now, the wave C is potentially not finished yet. You have 1, 2, 3, and this might be your wave 4 and one more low, wave 5 as a wave C. However, don't forget the wave Y in W, X, and a wave Y, which it can be, of course, a zigzag, another zigzag, and, of course, an X in between. This is a wave 2 already finished, and then we push toward the upside again. If we dive inside it, we can see that the push towards higher prices is still, of course, unfolding here for Ethereum, where we have a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potentially unfolding toward the upside. However, if you have realized, if this is an ending diagonal, we already took the high here, and we saw, of course, a rejection, and then, of course, again another push toward the upside. It is very, very likely here that something is unfolding much more bullish than, of course, an ending diagonal. So basically, if we take the ending diagonal wave 5 here, you will see, of course, that you are already above the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning this structure is longer than the wave 3. It's not allowed anymore. And of course, we got a wave 2 there, and this might be your impulsive wave 3, meaning 1, 2, 1, 2, and then wave 3 unfolding for higher prices. I'm gonna label this therefore as a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 here. This might be our brackets wide scenario, let's say. And we're looking here, of course, for the wave 5 to finish a wave 3, and then wave 4 and a 5. So yeah, I would say that yes, very likely that we are in a bull run starting over there. This is almost a confirmation, yeah, because we passed the 1-to-1 fib level here, ABC. We finished a structure for wave C. We saw a correction and pushing again, confirmation for higher. This was from yesterday. That means, of course, wave 2 has been given and even was very shallow, honestly. That means it is very, very bullish there. And of course, this might happen because when we are very, very bullish in a wave 3 over 3, don't forget again, Ethereum is potentially here the same as Bitcoin. We are in a wave 3, major wave 3, and this might be, of course, a 1, 2, 1, 2, and this is, of course, the wave 3 of 3. So that would be, of course, a very nice push towards the upside for Ethereum if it continues here. And on the 15-minute chart, we are already very, very impulsive, a large 1, 2 there. Wave 3 finished potentially, and I would say even not yet finished. I mean, you can see here also, if this is a 1, 2 here, and this is a several 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, that means, of course, it's still not finished, and we're still corrective here, and we're pushing for higher, just for wave 3. So very, very interesting here for Ethereum, what we are looking at. So I'm going to mark this as a wave 1, 2, and 3 unfinished, 4, and a 5. This is going to be, of course, our gray label over there. So for this, I'm looking even for an extension a little bit. I'm looking for a massive move, a 3, 4, and a 5. So the things are shifting to be bullish, guys, in highest possibility. Now, what is the risk? The risk for a bearish signal here, meaning a bearish scenario, is the expanding flat. Yes, the expanding flat wave B is the following. Where is it? Here we go. So, wow. Okay, so we're very, very even close to break the expanding flat fib level. Meaning, right now, we hit, of course, the expanding flat 1.38 and we retrace. But if we come back and we break it, this is a decisive move for Ethereum. And that means, of course, we are in a bull run here, very likely for Ethereum, guys. Yep, so we'll see, of course, how this is going to continue. Very likely that we are, of course, shifting to something bullish there. I know the confirmation 100% will be given, of course, from the 2,782. But of course, yeah, the probability right now is getting higher. We are at 65 to 70% bullish. And when we pass the 2,700, we are 90% bullish in a bull run toward the upside, guys, for Ethereum. Yep, so this is regarding Ethereum. Let's dive with Solana. Solana also, quick reminder on the all-time history. So we have, of course, three bullish scenarios starting from this point. Where are we right now? We are in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the upside. You want to seek after 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 leading diagonal, wave 5 unfolding toward the upside. A, B, and a C zigzag, finished wave A in the white, A, B, C for wave B in the white, and then you push towards the upside for wave C. The 0.38 is our key level, of course, and target was since months on this channel. And here we are, we hit it in confluence with the 1-to-1, A, B, and a C. This was our blue zone target, and we rebound for higher. Currently, and internally, we are looking here for something that it might be, of course, in WXNY or 112. So very likely that anyway, the market has finished in WXNY potential scenario here that we might have. So basically, if this is a W, X, and a Y, it can be, of course, only 3 waves down here. This is only one impulse, A, B, C, and then we push for higher for Solana as well, in case it's going to follow, of course, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Yeah, if Bitcoin also continues for higher, so as we saw today. So very interesting what is going on here. We'll see, of course, guys, what's going on the 1 hour chart here. So for the 1 hour chart for Solana, we are looking also at a potential, still, of course, potential diagonal here. However, if you compare right now, we start to compare the waves over there. You see this wave is, of course, taking more time there and, of course, unfolding in 112. Potentially wave 3 unfolding here. Why? Because if this is a diagonal, wave 5, I think already longer or not yet. Let me check. Yes, we are already longer, but let me just, no, not yet, guys. Not yet longer, but however, one more check. If wave 3 longer than wave 1, also no. So, okay. Still possible then scenario here to be in a diagonal. However, I don't see a contracting diagonal. This is my problem. That's why I feel like something is wrong with it. It is not contracting, guys. Okay, it's not contracting. That means, of course, expanding diagonal again is impossible, honestly. Yeah, is impossible. Because the expanding diagonal, well, it needs anyway a shorter wave 1, a longer wave 3, 4, and a 5. If this was like Bitcoin, okay. But for Solana, it is not the case. So very, very far possibility here. And I'm looking, of course, for wave 3 toward the upside. This is a 112 unfolding over there. We're not in a diagonal anymore. Even if we are in a diagonal, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, truncation, as we mentioned yesterday. So very likely this is a wave 2, wave 3 unfolding toward the upside. So this is very bullish, guys. Okay, it's very, very bullish. I would say let's be, like putting the things clearer. Let's put this also as a 1, 2 there, with 3, 4, and a 5. And I'm looking also here for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Sorry, this wave 1 should be there. So we're looking here for the yellow. So very, very bullish, guys. This is a bull run. This is a good signal from today. I mean, yesterday I was expecting to continue for lower, but the things pushed really higher. And of course, we finished 5 waves, and wave 2, wave 3. This is very, very bullish for the crypto market. So bull run unfolding. Yes, very likely we are at 65-70% bullish scenario unfolding. And of course, I would say the target here for a wave 1, you know what? I'm going to consider this 1, 2, 3 if this is a wave 4. Therefore, this is a wave 5, meaning I'm going to consider this the same as for Ethereum, invalidation of bullish, of bearish, meaning this is our 90% here. Our 90% confirmation we are in a bull run. Of course, 60 to 70%, meaning still have some potential in case the things turns still something corrective. Nobody knows which pattern is going to unfold still inside this gap. It still can do it. And you might still be under pressure of a wave 4 and a 5. But currently, from the micro level, it suggests, of course, higher prices, which is, of course, bringing us closer to the bull run here. So very, very interesting, guys. Finally, we're going to see SUI. SUI as well is very interesting. A quick reminder on the all-time history, just to see where are we, by the way. It has been a while. I didn't look at it. Okay, so basically we are in ABC, wave A toward the upside, wave B given after it. We're looking for a massive wave C. So this massive wave C might start, of course, from a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, currently we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very likely wave 5 finished here in this impulse A, B, and a C. Internally, we start, of course, to push for something for higher. And we are looking for a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, and then, yeah, looking for still higher prices. Now, can we call a diagonal here? Let me check. Of course, it worth to check this, guys, because I believe a bull run is unfolding here. Yes. Wave 3 is longer than wave 1. That means double 1, 2. We're looking for higher, guys. We're looking definitely for higher. Wow. What a surprise today, right? So we'll see how this is going to unfold. So I'm going to change some colors, labels here. So let's put this the same with a bracket white. This also round yellow. And here we are. So wave 5, wave 4, I'm expecting wave 3 there, meaning here you are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The gray, here we are. Yep, so wave 4, of course, still can range somewhere, but yeah, very, very interesting. Another thing to mark, maybe here also the 1-to-1 fib level, we'll see the reaction. So keep it in mind. This might create something here and then maybe pushing for higher again, or maybe pushing down. So we got to be careful with it, of course. I mean, we're still at 65 to 70% yet, okay? We're not yet confirmed 100% or 90%. That is still a possibility, of course, for bearish. I'm not saying like, okay, I'm blinded right now with bullish. Yeah, but I'm still, of course, looking for something for higher, guys, here, definitely. So we'll see, of course. I mean, breaking the 1-to-1 fib level will bring us to 80%. Yeah, if we break this, that is an 80%. If we break the invalidation, then we are 90%. That means, of course, bull run there. So that was it for Ethereum, Solana, and SUI, guys. The bull run analysis since I would say decades. Hopefully that it works, guys. That was it for Solana, Ethereum, and SUI. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.